This is an oldie but a goodie. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. If you have been hanging out with me, subscribed to this channel for a while, you will know that I love Inahsi. This is a really cool brand. It's a small family-owned business. They're very intentional with their formulas and they're really, really good. So I'm excited to be doing this One Brand Wash Day today. We have done this One Brand Wash Day before, but not in the new One Brand Wash Day format. This One Brand Wash Day format was born the day I tried an all Briogeo wash day lineup, wherein I used a more clarifying type shampoo, a deep conditioner, and a gel, and had one of the absolute best wash days I've ever had. It can be really easy as a curly girl to start doing a 12-step routine. And while I do think there are benefits to each of those 12 steps, I'm being a little facetious here. It's not necessarily an actual 12-step routine, but we can get a little product happy. We can use all the products thinking that products are the solution to our wavy curly hair woes, when in fact, perhaps less is more. So when I had that most excellent Briogeo One Brand Wash Day, I set out on a mission to test out every other brand with the same format, seeing that if keeping it simple by just using 3 products, what would happen. And so far, I've been incredibly pleasantly surprised, and I am super excited to do the Inahsi One Brand Wash Day in this format, because I know the products are really, really awesome. That is it for the intro. Enough jibber jabber. Let me show you the before hair. I don't know how my hair gets this greasy, but my hair is so greasy. This is what my hair looks like when I air dry, product free, no stylers in my hair. Just a weird bend at the end. Now let's go wash and style and transform this hair. Alrighty guys, here we are once again over my tub, and I will be getting my hair nice and soaking wet. I forgot to mention when I was showing you the before hair that this is freshly clarified and deep conditioned hair. We have a very nice clean slate. Clean other than the fact that my roots got super greasy. Now I'm grabbing the Inahsi Soothing Mint Clarifying Shampoo. This shampoo is so nice. It contains cocamidopropylbutane, sodium C14, C16 olefin sulfonate as its surfactants. It also contains hydrolyzed oats, which according to the formulator for Inahsi, does act as a reconstructive protein. So you know that this product is set up to be a Courtney favorite. It is a very liquidy consistency, and as you can see on this first time through, this first cleanse, it does not foam, lather, and suds just a whole lot. This happens when my roots are this greasy. So I'm going to rinse the product out completely and go in for a second cleanse. I'm grabbing about half the amount of shampoo that I used the first time, and you can see that this foams and lathers up twice as much. Now that I have thoroughly scrubbed my scalp with the pads of my fingers, I'm gently going to pull the lather through the lengths of my hair to cleanse the lengths of my hair. Then I'm going to rinse really thoroughly. Now I'm going in with the Soothing Mint Moisturizing Conditioner. Inahsi does make a really, really nice hair mask, but this conditioner is incredibly hydrating. I'm also just feeling the Soothing Mint fragrance today. This is a thicker consistency conditioner, and it does contain the heteroammonium methyl sulfate, coconut oil, cetyl alcohol, cetyl alcohol, avocado oil, and hydrolyzed oats. This is a very rich and nourishing conditioner that also contains a decent amount of protein. This product has stupid amounts of slip. It is one of the slipperiest conditioners I've ever tried. If you really struggle with tangles and your hair likes some hydrolyzed oats, it's going to love this conditioner. So hydrating, so slippery. I forgot how much I love this product. Now that I've worked it through with my fingers, I'm grabbing my Bounce Curl Defining Brush and I'm just gonna pull that conditioner through my hair even more. I'm gonna finish distributing that conditioner from root to tip to really make sure that each and every single strand is getting a nice thorough coating of conditioner. Now I'm adding just a tiny bit more water to the back of my head to go in to Squish to Condish. This process really does kind of reactivate my curl pattern after I have pulled my hair back for a few days. So once I finish that Squish to Condish and really feel like my hair has soaked up the conditioner and the water, I'm going to rinse this product out completely. Then I'm grabbing my Bounce Curl Defining Brush one more time and I am running that brush through my hair, defining my curl clumps. We've seen this once or twice. It's the same every time. This routine is so quick and so easy, and it really gives me results that I enjoy. And I'm giving my hair a quick little scrunch. Before I grab the Inahsi Pamper My Curls Sculpting Glaze. This is Inahsi's Stronghold Gel. I first tried Inahsi's custard, and honestly it was the custard that had me fall in love with the line. But this Stronghold Gel may be even better. Not only is it in a pump, which I love, it also contains VPVA copolymer, a cellulose as the hold ingredients, along with aloe, marshmallow root extract, and Camilla flower extract. These ingredients my hair really likes. As I glaze this over and begin really scrunching it into my hair, you can see the definition and the shrinkage start to happen. I'm very careful with my application to make sure that I apply the product all over my head. These are what my curl clumps are looking like once I have finished scrunching that gel into my hair. Now I'm just gonna go plop my hair and diffuse and be back to scrunch out the crunch with you guys. And here we are. This is my hair 100% dry. I did diffuse it to roughly 90% dry and then let it finish air drying in the cast. This is my sweet spot. I'm pretty sure you're tired of hearing me say that, but that's what I do, and I wanna make sure to give you all the details in case it's helpful. This is what the hair is looking like in the cast. It's a little stringy, but that's okay. We love a good cast around here because this crunchy barrier that forms around each curl clump as the curls dries will actually lend hold and minimize frizz throughout the wash day. So what do I do now that my hair looks really stringy once it's dry? I scrunch out that crunch. I'm giving my hair one more little scrunch to break that crunchy gel cast barrier and reveal the wash day results. I also give my roots a really good fluff because that breaks the gel cast around my roots. I don't want to just break the gel cast on the ends of my hair. In fact, I actually kind of try and sort of leave just a tiny bit of the gel cast on the ends of my hair, but I really want my roots to not look crunchy. So I tend to actually focus on scrunching out the crunch at my roots more than I do my mid-lengths to ends. This is what the hair is looking like once I have scrunched it and fluffed it. Pretty big difference from where we started. I am loving the definition that I have right now. The shape is really cute. I don't know what the deal is, but lately this curl has just been so ginormous. So what I do is I actually grab it and gently pull out sections and just redefine them because it has wanted to be one massive curl, and if it's slightly smaller curls, it's actually cuter as the wash day progresses. All right, I will be back at the end of the day to show you how this held up, and back on the morning of day 2 to show you how it held up overnight. And here we are at the end of the day. This is what the hair is looking like. I don't know. I don't know what happened. It usually doesn't wear like this. It usually wears just a little bit better. It's pretty frizzy. It dropped real fast. It's not particularly hot outside. The weather's not particularly bad. The only thing I can think of that may have caused this is we're going through a particularly stressful family situation, and it's possible that that is having some effect on my hair. I do know that people's hair is greatly affected by their stress level, so we may give this wash day a little bit of grace because of that situation. I do want to say that my hair feels amazing. It feels really good. It feels super soft. The grit level is like a half. It's really not very gritty. And I feel like if I am finger combing my hair out just a bit. Yeah, I'm actually liking that. Just a quick little finger comb is reincorporating that frizz. It was already pretty loose and not super defined. So let's just keep going with that and see what happens. Oh, okay. I am noticing flakes. I can see them floating. So if you have quite dark hair, you may find that this gel flakes on you. The Inahsi custard also flakes on me. If you have a really hard time with gels flaking on your hair, sometimes using a curl cream underneath can help mitigate some of the flakes, and styling on more soaking wet hair rather than damp hair. Damp styling with a gel that flakes makes it flake more. All right, I kind of like what the finger combing did. It's softer and prettier, and I'm feeling that. All right, guys, I will be back in the morning to show you how it held up overnight. Hello, guys. Here we are on the morning of day 2. All I did was pull my hair down out of the overnight pineapple. And I've gotta say, maybe my attitude is just better today. I'm not sure, but this is like really pretty. Sure, it's not super defined. It doesn't look like a super curly wash day, but my hair is very shiny. This looks like heatless curls in the front. It's so pretty. What? I really like this. This is super loose and stretched out, but my hair feels really good, very lightweight. Let's take a look at the back. I know, I'm not loving like this section right here, but honestly, all I did was take it out of the overnight pineapple. I'm wondering if I finger comb it, if that doesn't like fix it a little bit. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I was incredibly discouraged yesterday when I saw how this wash day wore. It just kind of looked super stretched out and sad. But perhaps it's my attitude. This morning, I'm waking up. I'm feeling way better about this. This looks like heatless curls, like I said. My roots are not greasy at all. My frizz is really minimal for a day 2. My hair does not have that dry, crispy, crunchy feeling that I sometimes get with really strong hold gels. It just feels nourished and nice. I love this. I love this. This wash day, this day 2 anyway, is a major win. So that's just about it for this video. If you are interested in accessing all the knowledge in my brain about every single curly hair product I have ever tried, feel free to check out Wavy Curly Confidence. I will have it linked in the description down below and in a pinned comment. This is a product guide I created in order to give you literally all the information in my brain about every single product so that you can have the confidence to finally choose the exact right products for your hair. As always, I sure hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next One Brand Wash Day.